welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Jody.
It's your boy David.
And we want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. So guys, today we're gonna open our Christmas gifts. Babe, are you happy for Christmas? Are you happy to see another Christmas?
I look like a big gift, you know, because I'm the bomb.
Oh, we're in matching Christmas pajamas. How cute do it look? Okay, guys, so we're going to open our Christmas gift. This is to Jody from Santa. Who's this one?
I think my mom.
Your mom?
She always says Santa.
Okay.
And we want to say, everybody who gave us gifts, family and friends, thank you. Thank you so much for, you know, giving us gifts. And it means everything to us because we know everybody had time struggling to buy gifts when Christmas comes. So, thank you so much for that.
Thank you again, guys. So, really appreciate it. So, let's open a gift. I didn't want to mess this up. I always save my gift. So, babe, when do you open another one? Meanwhile. Whoa, look what I got. Ooh. OMG. Look what I got. This is going to look like on me.
What's this?
And open it.
This is for you, you mean? I don't know.
Yeah, it's for me.
For you?
Open it and see what is inside, babe. So guys, this is one of my Christmas gifts. Let me put it right here. And another one. Let's see who this is from. No. This is from Lenny and Noah. This is to Jordy. He called me Jordy. Alright, let's see what is inside. It's pretty bad. It's not for you, babe. It's not for you. Wow! Amazing Grace. Oh my god. We can both use it, right?
Nah, I'm good. I ain't gonna use that.
So, thank you, Lenny and Noah. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna use this in the weekend, because I'm not gonna be home. We have this big bag right here. David, this is from Lenny and Noah.
A sweater. Love sweaters.
I love it. You like it?
Yeah, you call me fat. Extra large. Yeah, I like it. It's that big.
You're big.
Yo, bro, I'm not this big, bro, but alright, it looks nice and warm. I'm definitely gonna wear it. Thank you so much for calling me fat, but I still love you.
Okay, we're moving on to another one.
No, we're not. We still got some here.
Oh, you got another? Oh.
Let's see, what's this?
Let's see what David got. Let's see. You have to hold it down. Okay. Whoa. What is this? It's a bracelet.
It's a bracelet and
something to close it, like
a key thing.
Yeah.
It looks nice, man. I gotta wait. I could. Ooh, we need this.
What's it?
It's like yeah. So I could definitely do stuff in my house with it. Thank you, Nate. I definitely gonna rock this. My brother Nanny got Take Flight all in one. It looked really nice. I can't wait to see what I'm gonna do. In fact, I could definitely, when I put stuff up, there's a ruler and stuff like that, so it'll help out. Thank you, bro.
Another one to, you good?
Oh man, I'm not good.
Another one to David.
Ooh, a nice Old Navy sweater, extra large again.
Let me show them. So guys, this is what David got. A nice Old Navy sweater. It looks warm and comfy, right?
Thanks, Ma. She got me the sweater.
Feels nice.
You always know what to get me.
You're a son.
Of course.
This is to David from Suki and Jose. Here you go. Merry and bright.
Hey, a nice white t-shirt.
A nice white t-shirt. Ooh. This looks nice.
Yeah, definitely over that.
Yeah. Looks nice, babe. I like it. I'm gonna put it back in here. Just put it aside. Another one to Jody from Suki and Jose. Let me see what is inside. Oh my God. A nice top. Ooh, I like it. So small. Thank you.
A snowflake for a little angel.
I am a little angel. I am a little princess, babe. Guys. Alright, put this one over here, viewers. Alright, put this over here. So that's David's pile right there. He doesn't want anything to go over there, and this is my pile. Okay. Let's see what is in this one. So David's gonna help me to open this one. Alright, guys. Let's see what is inside. Fashion Nova. I got myself a gift. So, let me see what is inside. Whoa. Fashion Nova. Guys, it's my first time buying off of Fashion Nova. Whoa. I like it.
This is good for like
the winter.
No,
what?
For like when the winter's about to end and come to summer, right in the middle, you need a sweater. This is definitely good. Right.
You like it, babe?
Yeah, it's nice. A little rock and roll. Yeah.
See? It's yep. I love the fur. Extra small. The right fit for Jody. Let me put it back in here. And let's move on. Put this right here. Let's see, David, open this one. And I open something else. Yeah, open it for me. We're opening this together.
Look.
Ooh, you like it?
No.
Why not? It's a
mad
shoe.
colorful.
It is. It's summer. Yeah.
See how weird it tastes.
So guys, this is a Christmas shoe for me to myself. That's crazy, right? Wrapping your own gift. All right, put this here. This is from my boss. Ooh, it's a photo album. It's a photo album. I'm gonna put a lot of photos in this. Maybe you like it?
Nah, yeah. Nice.
Alright, let's put it down here. Another one. Let me open, let me hurry. You throwing that on me there?
Oh, you're good.
Let's see what is inside this lovely box. Another shoe. Whoa. Look at this, guys. Do you like it, guys? Tell me if you like it.
Let's see if she can walk in it, though.
Guys, to be honest, I can't walk in heels. But I have my husband to hold my hands.
I'll drop you.
You're my support system. You're my support system.
I'm going to drop you.
Let me put this right here. Oh, David.
Alright. Oh, yep. This is a gift to myself. Because for people who know me, I don't wear boots. So I got myself some boots, some Timberlands for the winter. When it finally snows, I'll be ready this time.
Okay. Alright, let me just put all the gifts here. Alright, guys. This one, let me put my little ring. You want to hold the reindeer? So, guys, this is a gift from my friend Rebecca. I love it already. It's like a pajamas shorts. I have here a hat. And also, ooh, I love this. Oh my God, I love this. Look at this, guys. It's like a winter top. And I got me some lovely socks.
I got me some socks.
It's not yours. It's
yeah,
mine.
I can fit this. I can definitely fit these.
All right, I'll give it to you.
Nah, I'm good. Big glitter.
Everything that glitter is gold.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they say everything that's not. All right. Another one here, guys. Let's see what's inside this baby. This is from my boss. Let's see what my boss. It's a decorated glassware. Ooh, she always give me nice stuff. I'm in love. Whoa.
That's really nice.
It looks nice, right? We can put it on our dinner table. Glass. So guys, this is like the outside and there's a glass inside. You could put fruit. You could put fruits. You could put like, you know, stuff inside of it, like a storage. It's a glassware. So I'm gonna put it on my table.
The gift I got Jody, I have to get it in January. But she don't. I told her I'm gonna get her something, but she don't even know. When she see it, I'm gonna record her reaction to the gift.
Okay, another one. This is from my boss again. She gives me a lot of gifts. Then we got drinking cup to drink.
Cool.
Huh?
Cool.
Cool, right? See, guys. Yep, drinking glass, see? You want to take one out?
I just want to see. Oh, it's shot glass. It's like a shot. It's like a bigger version of a shot glass. Not bad.
I'm going to take a shot after. Because my head hurts. Want to close it for me, baby? Another one. Ooh, looks like another photo album. Yep, another album. Another photo album. I love me some photo albums.
Yes, she does. You take 1,000 pictures.
I don't know why. I take a lot of pictures.
I like that you could, when you take a picture, you can put the date, time, and where
You
you
can put like where you take it at, the date, the time, and if you don't want to write, you can just write what you did or something like that. Or if you have a group, like say for instance, we take a group picture, you could write David, Jody, John, Tim, Dick, and Harry. I just say Dick.
Don't want to think about that too. Okay.
Okay, another gift. My boss again. Oh, it's for me and my husband. Ooh. It's a wedding gift.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's a wedding gift. What is inside?
Oh, it's a picture frame.
It's a picture frame?
Yeah. Look at this.
So can I see it?
No.
Is yours? Yes, it is. Oh, my boss loves me. OMG!
And it comes with a picture inside already. Perfect. So what do you put up there and there?
Yes, we do. You see my melanin? Okay.
What? You take a big melanin?
My melanin color.
Okay.
Black.
Okay.
Guys! I'm hype!
It's too high. Okay.
This is the last gift right here, and me and David, we both gonna open this gift. Alright, let's start. Come on, babe. Oh, wait.
Open.
Wait, you're gonna tear something.
Oh. Somebody know how to rap, bro. Okay. What is this? Oh, fruits.
It's a fruit, like a fruit holder.
Holder? Yeah.
Like you put apples, cut apples, peach, pear, grapes. Yeah. Home essentials. A glass square 4-section tray. It's like a fruit tray. Thank you, Allison. Woo.
Nice.
Yeah, it is.
Kind of sturdy.
All right, wait, let me see. And I just got me some gym outfits from Pink. I bought myself, yes, gym outfits. I'm going to the gym in January. Not because I'm skinny, doesn't mean I can't go to the gym.
Hey, I need to go to the gym. I'm big.
Look, guys. So, guys, I love this. All right.
So, guys, we want to say thank you for watching. And I can't wait for maybe not this episode or the 2 episodes. We're gonna surprise Jody with a gift, and we can't wait to see her reaction. I'm telling you, she's gonna have a big reaction. But like I said, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Thank you for watching. Please hit a like button, notification button, and please put comments, because we love reading your comments. We love when you hit the like button. We want to, thank you for all the love you showed us, and we are here because of y'all. We won't be at 1,300 followers
if it wasn't for you guys.
Yes.
So I didn't get David a gift because the family and friends, but
yeah, because we moved to a new apartment, and we got other stuff. But you know what? Our gift for each other is love. But we will get each other gifts on January, and you will see our surprises, because we said we're going to surprise each other with big gifts. And baby, I just want to give you one. I don't want video games. I just want some games.
Alright,
No, I want some games. Probably some games.
Alright. So guys, I pinky promises David again. But I'm gonna show you guys the other Christmas that the gift I got David.
Nah, it's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys.
Alright. Xbox One, how? When? We live together, so how did you get it?
Don't worry about it. I got chicks.
Oh, we're going to your
I paid woman for that, babe.
I don't know, but it's just hot. I won't talk to you no more.
You're not gonna give me no hug, no kiss, nothing?
You give kiss, I'll give you jewelry. Yes. Thank you, babe.
I know.
But that's why I tell you, like, I'm gonna cry. I got Xbox One.
Okay, guys. So, guys, thank you for watching.
And don't forget to hit the like button, please.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Right there.
Up there.
Like this.
So
like, see, that's how you gotta hit it. Hit it. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
But like,
it's not big. Subscribe.
Hey,
subscribe.
Hey, gaming life. Like I said, if you ever want to watch somebody play video games and fun at it and play Smite and all these other games,
just hit me up or
just go to Mixer, put Blue Chaos 180, and you can see me live
streaming. So
yes.
Can I join your stream?
I don't know, you whack. And if you know what? Other YouTubers, if you ever need help building up your channel, don't mind. Put a comment, we'll help you out. If you other streamers, we'll help you out.
Stop by.
We don't mind doing that. Just stop by. A Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year. Give me a kiss.
My back. I gave you a kiss.
You didn't give me no kiss.
I can't hold my back. I can't feel my back. Alright, ready? Left. See, that's the kiss you want. Funny. You said,
yeah, but
hey, be funny. Hey, be funny. That's what you said.
Why you hit my face on that?
Okay.